Okay. So ठीक है, first we'll start. That's OS for OS optional and OFS optional are two different things. If you see the of syllabus paper, but some if you see the OS syllabus, there are some briefly କିଛି କମ୍ ଅଛି OFS ରେ ଟିକେ syllabus ଅଧିକ ଅଛି but 90% ଦୁଇଟା ସମାନ ଅଛି ହେଲା କି ତମେ ଯଦି OFS ପାଇଁ ବି ଦଉଛ ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା ବି ଆରାମସେ ତମେ OS ରେ ବି ତମେ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ରେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିପାରିବ ଯେମିତି କି ଆମର OS ରେ ପ୍ରୋପାଗେସନ ଚାପ୍ଟରଟା ନାହିଁ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛି ଏଥର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ଅଛି ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ today we'll start some basics of forestry. After that, we'll start a particular topic. If you see the syllabus in paper one, then the first unit is general silvicultural principles like ecological and physiological factors influencing vegetation, natural and artificial regeneration of forest, methods of propagation, grafting, grafting techniques, and other side factors. No, sir. First, if you see different factors, ecological or physiological factors which influence the vegetation, then there are four factors broadly we classify. There are four factors which influence the vegetation. These four factors, like you can say the edaphic factors, you can say the uh, biological factors, okay, and you can see the uh, topographical factors also, okay. And if you see the today we'll discuss first basic things about the forestry. First chapter we'll discuss first, that is regeneration, okay, and different factors we'll discuss after the regeneration. Factors like I have already told you, that's like climatic factors, edaphic factors, topographical factors, and ecological factors. So we will discuss after the regeneration because I have prepared regeneration for today class. Okay, after that we will discuss all this unit wise. We will discuss briefly. If you see the regeneration, okay, then first when you start to write a answer, then you have to first write about the definition correctly. କାରଣ definition one first ଦେଖିବି ଯେ ପିଲାଟି definition ଠିକ ଲେଖିଛି କି ନାହିଁ, then you have to first write definition correctly. Forest regeneration, if you see the definition, the forest regeneration is the process by which you have to remember that the forest regeneration is the process by which new tree seedlings become established, become established. Established କେତେବେଳେ ହେବ? After maybe harvested ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ, otherwise maybe died ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ସେ area, or maybe damaged କୌଣସି particular natural calamity ଯୋଗୁଁ ହଉ କି forest fire ଯୋଗୁଁ after damaged, তাহলে ଆମେ କ'ଣ ହବ? The forest regeneration is the process by which new tree seedlings become established after forest trees have been harvested or have died because of maturity or damaged by fire, insect, or disease. This is the definition of forest regeneration. And if you see the types of regeneration, there are two types of regeneration. First regeneration, one is natural regeneration, second is artificial regeneration. And you have to remember what is natural regeneration and what is artificial regeneration, and after that we'll discuss about different factors which different regeneration factors which depend on some factors like seed production, seed dispersal, seed germination, and seedling establishment. If you see the source, the natural regeneration, if you see the natural regeneration, then you have to remember what is natural regeneration. The definition of natural regeneration is the natural regeneration is defined as the renewal of forest crop by self-sown seed, or by copying or root sucker. The definition is, again I repeat, that natural regeneration is defined as the renewal of forest crop by self-sown seed or by copying system or by root sucker. Okay, copying or root sucker, we can say it from vegetative parts. Okay, then natural regeneration may be obtained from following two main sources I have already told you. One is from seed, otherwise from vegetative parts. So natural regeneration obtained may be obtained from the following two main sources, from the seed or from the vegetative parts. Natural regeneration जोटा self sown द्वारा कौन हुए grow करे renew करे. Okay, then if you see, when regeneration obtained from seed, it is called seedling crop, or it is called high forest system. Remember, when regeneration obtained from seed, uh, uh, it is called seedling crop, and it is also called high forest system. Neither it planted nor is copied, but it is from the seed. So it is called seedling crop, or we can say the high forest system. When we read about silviculture system, then we will study about what is high forest system, what is copic system, what is clear filling system, shelter root system, and copic system. Okay, in silviculture system, when we read, then we will I will tell you about this. So if you see the natural regeneration definition only, because natural regeneration is defined as the renewal of forest crop by self-sown seeds or by copying or by root sucker. And natural regeneration may be obtained from two following main sources. One is from seed or from vegetative parts. If you see the natural regeneration from seed, natural regeneration from seed depends upon some factors. Okay, these factors are, first factors, natural regeneration depend करे first factor होची seed germination, sorry, seed production. Second factor, that is seed dispersal. After seed production, seed dispersal happen. After seed dispersal, the third factor, which is very important, that is seed germination. And fourth factor is establishment of seedlings. These four factors is very important in natural regeneration, which obtained from seeds. Okay, first we'll discuss seed production in natural regeneration. First the question as a natural and artificial regeneration. Both questions of course. What is the difference between natural regeneration and artificial regeneration? Otherwise, what is natural regeneration? What are the factors which influence the natural regeneration, like seed production, seed dispersal, seed germination, and seedling establishment? And question we have see individual what is artificial regeneration, what is the choice of species, okay, what are the factors which influence the artificial regeneration, and what are the factors that we can uh, take a decision कि वो natural regeneration करेगी कि artificial regeneration करेगी. That the factors is very important. So if you see the seed production is natural regeneration बहुत important है. कारण natural regeneration means from obtained from seed जोटाକୁ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ କି कारण seed without seed production ଆମେ natural regeneration grow କରିପାରିବେ. So when seed production, we see the seed production, then for natural regeneration of forest or tree crop, the most important prerequisite is the seed, adequate quantities of fertile seed production. Okay, And seed production also depends on different factors. Okay, like age of the tree, and crown, large short crown, and also depends upon the species. Okay, you have to remember seed production depends upon following factors, that is species, age, size of the crown, okay, climates, and other external factors. If you see the species, why I'm saying about species, because uh, different types of species are seen in our forest system. The silviculture and genetic characteristics influence seed production of a species. ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ଦେନ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ସିଟ୍ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଇୟର୍ଲି ସିଟ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ ହୁଏ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ଅଛି 3 to 5 years ଇଣ୍ଟରଭାଲର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ ହୁଏ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ବାମ୍ବୋ ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ଦେଖିବା ତାର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭାଲ୍ସ 40 ରୁ 50 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ବି ହେଉଛି 30 ରୁ 60 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ହେଉଛି ତେଣୁକରି all species do not cease annually, okay, and abundantly. So for instance, if you see the example of teak ho, sissim ho, uh, bubble ho, that seeds interval only 1 years. See, ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ interval ରେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ତାଙ୍କର seed production way. But sometimes bamboo species, I have already told you that it take more times, like 40 to 45 years. So species super depend करे natural forest ର କ'ଣ spread ହବ କେତେ କୋଉ species ଥିଲେ ସେ natural forest କେତେ spread ହବ okay ଯଦି ଆମେ interval 1 year ଭିତରେ species area ଦେଖାଯାନ୍ତି ତାର रिन्यूअल बहुत जल्दी हम जदि हमें 45 60 30 इयर्स इंटरवल रे सीड होची लाइक बाम्बू फॉरेस्ट बाम्बू स्पीसीज देबा ताले तारो स्प्रेड भी बहुत कम हो सो नेचुरल इन नेचुरल वेरिएशन इफ यू सी द सीड प्रोडक्शन देन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन species different species have different seed years. Then I have already told you different examples like teak, bubble, kite, system that's annually that's seeds interval of 1 year. And if you see the blue vine, sal, it's a interval of 2 to 3 years. If you see the bamboo species, it's 25 to 45 years interval. So species is very important in seed production. And if you see the crown, then crown cover is also very important because if you see the larger crown, then size of the crown also affects the seed production. A general rule: the bigger the crown, the larger production of seed. Okay, the bigger the crown means higher the possibility to get maximum seeds from the trees. কারণ যেতে bigger cells crown হবো সেতে কোন হবো enhance more entrapment of solar energy, বেশি photosynthesis হবো আর বেশি seed production হবো সেটাই কইছি যদি crown size भी influence করছে seed production উপর কারণ bigger size of crown, the size of the crown, bigger size of the crown, the larger the production of seeds. Okay, and if you see the age, plant age has direct correlation with seed production. Okay, because certain species, young and over mature trees yield poor quality of seeds. So the middle aged trees give sufficient and good quality of seeds. Okay, and if you see the climatic factors, then climatic factors like temperatures, light, wind, okay, and heavy rainfall. These are all the factors which influence the seed production. Hello? ଯେମିତିକି you can say that's hot and dry years are generally followed by heavy seed yields. Warmer climate favors large seed production. Okay, warmer climate favors large seed production. So climatic factors also influence the seed production. So in regeneration, we have discussed about what is regeneration. That I have already told you the process by which new seedling become established, and I have already told you what, what is the different types of regeneration. One is natural regeneration, second is artificial regeneration. In natural regeneration, it is the when regeneration is defined as the renewal of regeneration is natural regeneration is defined as the renewal of forest crop by self-sown seeds or by topic or by root sucker. That is the natural regeneration, and natural regeneration may be obtained by two sources. One is from seed and another is from vegetative parts. And from seed, if you will see from seed, there are different factors also influence when natural regeneration from seed. These factors are seed production, seed germination, seed production, seed dispersal, seed germination, and establishment of seedlings. In seed production is very important factors. And it important prerequisite is the production of adequate quantity of seeds. And seed production depends upon also following factors like age of the tree, species of the tree, climates, and crown of the trees. And if you see the seed germination, sorry, after the seed production, you have to write seed dispersal. And germination, not production for a dispersal, but dispersal for a germination. If you see the dispersal, there are several agencies works for seed dispersal. Uh, like different agents like water, like air, like gravity, like animals, birds. These are the some agencies which helps to disperse the seeds. Seed dispersal and natural regeneration grow karibo. So different agents who works for which works for seed dispersal. These are first is water, wind, water, gravity, birds, and animals. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ଲେଖିବ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟର ନାଁ ଲେଖିବ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟର ନାଁ ଲେଖି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ କି ୱିଣ୍ଡ ଦ୍ୱାରା କୋଉ କୋଉ ସି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ହେଉଛି କି ୱାଟର ଦ୍ୱାରା କୋଉ କୋଉ ସି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ହେଉଛି ଓକେ କି ବାର୍ଡ ଦ୍ୱାରା କୋଉ କୋଉ ସି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ହେଉଛି ଆନିମାଲ ଦ୍ୱାରା କୋଉ କୋଉ ସି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ହେଉଛି ଓକେ ସୋ the seed produced by the trees are dispersed by the agency of wind, water, gravity, and animal or birds. Okay. By wind, if you see, you have to remember different examples of species like Acacia cacio, like conifers. Okay. Uh, Terminalia species ବି ଯେତିକି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ବି seed ଗୁଡ଼ା dispersal ହୁଏ by wind. So you have to remember two, three examples of species. And by water, if you see tectona species of both seed by water, basically mangroves, mangroves रे जो seed गुड़ा था से गुड़ा का basically by water से can dispersal हुए. Okay. And by gravity, by birds, by animals, you have to remember. Okay. ovulate species. Second is age of a species, crown of the species, okay, and different climatic factors. তারপরে seed dispersal, seed dispersal এ যেমতি লিখিল different agents কাম করছেন like water, wind, gravity, bird and animals. Okay. তারপরে আসিগলা seed germination very essential for successful natural regeneration. seed germination ବି ଦୁଇଟା ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ, ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି seed ର internal factors ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି external factors. seed internal factors depend করে, ଦେଖ ଯଦି seed coat ଟା ଯଦି ତମର ବହୁତ କମ ଥାଏ, if seed coat is very hard ଥାଏ, then it prevents to enter water, oxygen inside the seed. ତେଣୁକରି seed coat ଯଦି hard ଥିବ, ଯୋଉ seed ଦେଖିବ ତାର coat ଯଦି hard ଥିବ, ତାହେଲେ ତାର germination period ବି lengthy ହେଇଯିବ, କାରଣ ସେ seed coat rupture ହେଲା ପରେ ତମର water enter କରିପାରିବ, oxygen enter କରିପାରିବ, ଓକେ। ଏଟା ହେଉଛି internal factors ତମର ଆସୁଛି କି permeability of water କି permeability of oxygen. I will depend करे development of embryo. Sometimes seed कौन ही थे, this product seed production है कि dispersal है जाए, हड़ी पड़ी थे, किंतु embryo develop है ही नहीं थे, okay? से समय कौन हुए, से टाइम में dormant period टा ताकि के कौन हो जाए, lengthy ही जाए, okay? तेरे seed internal factors से तमरो कौन है, permeability of water, permeability of oxygen, development of embryo. The embryo should be fully developed at the time of seed fall. If it is not developed, then the seed lies dormant till it is fully developed. Okay. Then after this, after ripening, one is permeability of water, and permeability of water कौन लिखिबो? Moisture is very essential for germination. If seed has a hard coat, it prevents moisture reaching the seed embryo and therefore prevent germination. Such seed germinate only when the hard coat, whether due to exposure of sun or rain. कारण एटा natural regeneration हम इंटरफाई करि परिबनी. जदि seed coat hard अछि ताहले कोन हबो, एटा rupture पे टाइम लागिवो, exposure of sun और rain द्वारा, तापरे कोन हबो ऑक्सीजन और वाटर जेतले permeability जाई परिबो, तेतले seed germination start हे. बेले बेले रप्चर ହେଲା ପରେ ବି ହୁଏନି, କାରଣ ଏମ୍ବ୍ରିଓ ଡେଭଲପ ହେଇନଥାଏ, ଏମ୍ବ୍ରିଓ ଡେଭଲପ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହବ, ସିଡ୍ ଜର୍ମିନେସନ ହବ। ତାପରେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ରାଇପେନିଂ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି। ଆଫ୍ଟର ରାଇପେନିଂ ମିନ୍ସ ଇଜ ଏ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ enzymatic and biochemical process ଗୋଟେ। After ripening कौन हुए ना, chemically germination, because embryo is not chemically ready for germination. Some chemical process happen inside the seed. यदि chemical process किसी imbalance हुए, ताले सेटा germination हुएनी. That is called, that what called after ripening. So after ripening is a complex enzymatic and biochemical process that certain plant embryo must undergo. They will germinate. Okay. गोटे गोटे seed अछि, after ripening process हुए कोठी, जेमती we can take example of banyan tree, बड़ गछर seed. बड़ गछर seed तुम देखि परिबो, से गोटे chemical process द्वारा गले ही से कोन हबो, germination हबो। कारण आमे जदि बड़ गछ देखिबा banyan tree, तले तारे एते गुडा seed fall होउची, जदि naturally से गछ हबो, ताले तो एबे चारियाडे केवल banyan tree देखिବାକୁ मिलथांदा, जति कि तम बड़ गछ मूले देखिथिबो केते seed fall होउची। तेनु करी तार गोटे प्रोसेस रे जीवा पड़िबो, तार गोटे आफ्टर राइपनिंग प्रोसेस रे जीवा पड़िबो। सेति पे आफ्टर राइपनिंग प्रोसेस मे भी तुम आर्टिफिशियली करि पारो नर्सरी रे, अदरवाइज नेचुरली केमित हुए, नेचुरली इस दिस सीड्स कोन हुए ना, गो थ्रू के पक्षी मानकर बॉडी रे, पक्षी माने खाइ सला परे हैला, तेतले मलत्याग करिवे, सेटा राइपनिंग प्रोसेस रे आसला परे से गछटा, एटा होची नेचुरल प्रोसेस रे बड़ गछ जोडा हो। सेमिति तो नेचुरली फल प्रबल द सीड होची, तेन कर सेगुडा होई। after ripening process ଗୋଟେ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। ତେଣୁକରି ଦେଖିବି ପକ୍ଷୀମାନେ ଯୋଉଠି ମଳତ୍ୟାଗ କରିଥିବେ ସେଠି ବରଗଛ ଉଠୁଥିବ, ଘର ଉପରେ, ଗଛ ଉପରେ କି କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ। ଓକେ, that is the after ripening is a complex enzymatic and biochemical process, and that certain plant embryo must undergo, they will germinate. Okay, and after ripening you have to remember viability. Viability means ability to life. Okay, some seeds lose their viability soon, while they retain their viability for a year or more. Thus, in case of seed which lose their viability soon, if the environmental condition is are not favorable for germination at the time of their fall, they die. Naturally, ଦେଖିବ viability. Suppose example now sal tree. Sal tree ର viability ତାର ମଞ୍ଜି seed ଯେତେବେଳେ fall ହବ maximum ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ, ରିମେନ୍ ଭାଇବଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରୁହେ। ସିଏ ଡାଏ ହେଇଯିବ କେତେବେଳେ, ଯଦି ଆମର ମନସୁନ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା। ଓକେ, ଜର୍ମିନେସନ୍ ଯଦି ମନସୁନ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ତାହେଲେ ଆମର କ'ଣ ହବ, ସେ ଆଉ ଜର୍ମିନେଟ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। Okay, so viability is very important. Some seeds lose their viability soon, while other retain their viability for a year or more. Basically, it depends upon the environmental conditions. If environmental conditions is not favorable, then it cannot germinate and its viability loses. And ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ନା 1 year ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ and more ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତାର viability ଥାଏ, ତ ସେଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଡରମାଣ୍ଟ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ତାର ହେଇଯାଏ ଯଦି ଏନଭାରମେଣ୍ଟାଲ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଠିକ୍ ନଥାଏ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏନଭାରମେଣ୍ଟାଲ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଠିକ୍ ହେବ ତାର ଜର୍ମିନେସନ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ। ଜର୍ମିନେସନ ଅଲସୋ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ ଅପନ୍ ଦ ସାଇଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସିଡ୍ ଅଲସୋ। ଓକେ, କାରଣ ସିଡ୍ ଯେତେ ଛୋଟ ହେବ ଆଉ ସିଡ୍ ଯେତେ ବଡ଼ ହେବ, ଦୁଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଦୁଇଟାର ଆଡଭର୍ସ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ଅଛି। ଓକେ, ଯଦି the size of the seed affect natural regeneration because while very minute, ছোট minute seeds are washed away with the rainwater, and very big seeds do not get properly covered by the soil or human, and not soil or humus, and so do not germinate. Okay, the size of the seed varies from species to species, from tree or same species, and also on same trees. Some seeds are thin and poorly developed, while others are thick. As the general rule, within the average size of the seed produced by the species, the thicker of the seeds, the better germination. देखो seed size में कहली जदि thin minute ହେଲା then washable ହେଇଗଲେ germinate ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲେ ସିନା proper soil ପାଇଲେ ସେ germinate ହବ। ସେ ଯଦି rain water ହବ washable ହେଇଯିବ ତାହେଲେ germination ଟିକେ complex ହେଇଯିବ। ଯଦି ବି ବଡ଼ ହେଇଗଲା, ସାଇଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସିଡ୍ ଯଦି ବଡ଼ କଭର୍ଡ ହେଇପାରିବନି ଠିକ୍ ସେ ମାଟିରେ। ଦୁଇରେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଇନସେକ୍ଟ ବାର୍ଡସ୍ ଆଖିକୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ଦେଖାଯିବ, ବଡ଼ ସିଡ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଜଲ୍ଦି ଦେଖାଯାଆନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି କିମ୍ବା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖାଇଦିଅନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁକରି ବୋଥ୍ ଲାର୍ଜ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମାଇନ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ସିଡ୍ସ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ, ସିଡ୍ ଜର୍ମିନେସନ୍ ଆଫେକ୍ଟ କରେ। ଯଦି ଆମେ ପ୍ରପରଲି କ'ଣ ହେଲା average size of seed ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ଆମର germination ଠିକରେ ହବ। ଓକେ, and some external factors, ଆମେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ internal factors ଦେଖିଲେ। ଓକେ, ଯଦି external factors ଦେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ କୋଉ କୋଉ external factors affect କରୁଛି କାହାକୁ, germination କୁ। external factors like moisture, air, temperature, and light. These are the external factors which influence the seed germination. କାରଣ ଯଦି adequate moisture ନଥିବ କି adequate oxygen ନଥିବ, oxygen permeability ହେଇପାରୁନଥିବ seedକୁ, water ବି permeability ହେଇପାରୁନଥିବ। ଓକେ, temperature, high temperature ଆଉ very low temperature is affects the seed germination. Okay, so external factor ରେ ତମେ କଣ କଣ ଲେଖିବ? Moisture, air, and temperature and light. Okay, most of species are indifferent to light condition for the germination, but some some requires light, like alvija, procera ho, casic. So species of ଗୋଟେ forest ରଖୁଛ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ chapter ଅଛି ତାର forestry ରେ ଗୋଟେ chapter ଅଛି ତମର silviculture of species. Okay, silviculture of trees. तो तुमको मिनिमम 10-20टा स्पेसीज पूरा साइंटिफिकली नाम मने रखिବାକୁ पड़िबो तार कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मने रखिବାକୁ पड़िबो को प्रकार ट्रीज को एरिया रे ग्रो करे हैला तार तार हमरो टेंडिंग ऑपरेशन केते बळे हुए तार जर्मिनेशन नेचुरल हुए कि आर्टिफिशियल हुए ओके तार नर्सरी केमिति हुए सब मने रखिବାକୁ पड़िबो सिल्विकल्चर ऑफ ट्रीज रे पड़े बेसिक इंपोर्टेंस तमरो फॉरेस्ट्री होची फास्ट होची तम मन बेसिक इंपोर्टेंट चैप्टर कथा हम कहूची गोटेला रीजनरेशन चैप्टर वेरी इंपोर्टेंट सेकंड इज फॉरेस्ट डिफरेंट फॉरेस्ट टाइप्स ओके लाइक ए बी सी ओके सेगुडा के हम देखियो जेतो नेक्स्ट हम क्लास करबा केमिति हम मन रखियो पड़िबो व्हाट इज ए व्हाट इज बी A1 B1 okay A2 B2 सेगुडा फॉरेस्ट क्लासिफिकेशन